Alright, it's the 10th time I've recorded a video with no sound and had to remake it. So this is going to be extra quick. Today, I took 2 break-evens. I apologize if I sound like shit. I'm getting over a cold. I had an exam today, and I didn't get home until 15 minutes after market open. And, yeah, I wasn't really in a rush to trade, and I wanted to see what price would do. Yeah, one of the break-even trades really sucks, and I'll go over that in a second. But uh, rushing home, I think I made record time on my way home because I figured today we'd actually see something good after like the first 3 days being dog shit this week. And yeah, so I was watching after market open, and we had news at 9:30. It was unemployment claims, I think. So Nasdaq, ES made SMT after coming down after price open, and I was looking for longs because Nasdaq has had this massive daily fair value gap that it's been edging all week, and we just rebalanced the weekly fair value gap, as you can see. So perfect retracement back up, and YM and Russell have been like super strong for some reason, but I can't get entries on them. My model just doesn't present. I find it just likes to run. And anyway, so I was watching Nasdaq and ES for longs. ES was a lot stronger. You can see we had this range high I was looking for, SMT, and yeah, so after 10 o'clock, which is like my favorite time, is the new 4-hour candle. I always execute after 10 o'clock. I find that my win rate has almost just gotten fucking twice as good. Just like 9:30, we'll have decent trades present, but it's really got to be some like crazy manipulation. Anyway, inverse 5 minute displaced above this breaker. I entered around here, stops just below the inversion, and this was an awful trade, man. I mean, Nasdaq was just super fucking weak, and it was a chop fest, and there was SMT at highs, and I just wasn't very confident in it. This was my second position. Gold was my first. So right around here, after it swept this high, I was tired because I wrote my exam, and I wanted a nap, and I was under the impression that indices just don't look strong at all, and just gonna be chop fest. So I did not realize this SMT at the time, but regardless, I just wanted to preserve my capital because it wasn't really worth having a position on, in my opinion. Move stops right here, and of course, what does it do? It goes and runs my draw. Yeah, this is just shitty. It wasn't very clean. I yeah, price likes to range a lot lately, so I'm more prone to just kind of getting taken at a break even, which I don't really mind though, because it's just towards the end of the year. Come over to gold. Silver has been just bullish as fuck. It doesn't stop after all-time high, and gold usually just follows suit. It won't be as strong, but I was watching either or for longs, and gold had a lot more that I liked because silver was just at all-time high, whereas gold had this range high, and we had some relative equal highs above. So the only thing that I really saw was that I wanted to see like a 15-minute gap hold. Excuse me. And what did it do? After 10 o'clock, expected this 15 and SMT at lows, and so I made the mistake of I entered off the inversion. I market entered. I just wanted to get a starter position, but I just sized fully off of it as opposed to waiting for the breaker because silver was starting to pop, and I figured gold would do the same too. It's only like a few point difference, whatever, right? So I wasn't really paying attention, and I wanted to go break even after this high was taken because we had SMT at the highs, and I mean, like gold has also been ranging like a lot more to silver. It's not as pretty, and I was under the impression we took this high. We didn't. We retraced, and you can see here to the fucking point, stops me out and ran. I was targeting 3R, which is just one of the buy side highs. Was up here, and yeah, I'm pretty pissed off about that because I mean it should have been a win, and it would have taken all of my accounts out of drawdown, and I could have gotten a payout. So it's whatever. Um, I'll watch the markets tomorrow, but it'll probably be like my last day of trading. I have 2 more exams, and then I'm going away for the rest of the voice crack, rest of the year. But yeah, man, just stopped to the fucking point, and it was just look at the deliveries is beautiful. But I'm not too worried about it. I have noticed that because I'm so close to a payout, that there's a little bit more pressure on me when I enter a trade. Like a lot more voices that are like, move your stop loss or like don't enter this or risk less or anyway, that's all for now. My mother's trying to talk to me, so yeah.